Let's celebrate Halloween by making some surprise spooky cakes. We're going to start with the cake mix. You're going to need 3 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and your cake mix calls for 1 cup of water, but you're actually going to omit 1/4 cup of that. So in total for your cake, you're going to need 3/4 cup of water. Then all you're going to do is pour everything into a bowl and mix everything together. Now we move on to the surprise part of our spooky cakes. For that, you're going to need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese that's been softened, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, a dash of salt, and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Start by combining the cream cheese and the sugar and just mix until it's fluffy. You can do this in a hand mixer or a stand mixer, but I just did it with my spatula and it still turned out good. After you have everything combined till it's fluffy, you're going to add in all the other ingredients and mix until they're combined. I found some really cute Halloween cupcake liners at Target, so I put those down first in my muffin pan. Then I used a cookie scoop and filled each liner halfway full. After that, the recipe calls for 1 rounded teaspoon of the filling, and personally I think there could have been more. I probably would have doubled the filling recipe and done like a tablespoon of filling. Because the filling tastes so good with the cupcake, I honestly just wanted more of it. But it did turn out fantastic. The orange cake mix mixed with the semi-sweet chocolate chips was just amazing. The recipe doesn't mention adding any sort of icing, but you absolutely could if you wanted. I left it plain just because that's how the recipe did it. I did find these sprinkles at Target and added them. Just be careful, those little eyeballs can break your teeth. But they were very festive, so I decided to add them. But that's it for today. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to be updated for more. And I'll see you back here next time on Vintage Cookery. Happy Halloween!